Madonna's. So, I'm gonna come at me show you what I buy at the mall. Alright, so I'll be take me shopping. It's been a minute. Cause me I really like go to the mall and them something so but I really need to go to the mall because when me I go in a certain store, I like buy things online, I like to go look. So me leave to go at Victoria's Secret at the mall. And Obi decides say him I go buy it for me, so I must pick up what I want. So I'm going to Victoria's Secret. But the main thing I'm going to find is some underwear. And they never have the one them when me want in there. It's so funny because they mix up every panty together. I mean I like that. Like everything just mix up. I'm just wear one set of certain panty and they never have none. Me I dig up in a box. Me never like that. Never like that at all. But anyways, see the two bag them here. You know, so maybe see this them bag here already. See? So I get this and this. So alright. So I'm gonna unpack them now. And I'm gonna wash them. Because I'm gonna wash them. So look. And I saw me stay. Nobody now see me. So I buy two of the same thing. Right? Nobody now see me. So these are bra. And let me tell you something. The last time I buy them bra here, I think it was like $80 for one. So it was actually on sale. Buy them here too. Them here is like the seamless bra. So and guess what? Some really nice sleeping shorts. Yep. Sleeping shorts them. Yep. There you go. So you know what me I gonna do now? Me never get the top for them here. They never have no top for them. So I buy enough shorts. So what me I gonna do? It don't have to be matching color. I just need some white top. Some little nice sexy white top. I can buy just different style. You know, cause white keep you cool. Yeah. Yeah. So you know what me I gonna do now? There they go. Me I go empty out my drawer and show where some of the older one them when I have in there. Even though me not none of them not old. But I have one big jar with just them little sleep something here. Buy the stuff here. Now yeah, buy this. I'm gonna rinse this out right now. Just want the sleeping shots. I'm gonna buy the other sweatpants here. Yeah. And maybe rinse them out, but more focus on them here. And buy the pajama pants here for Christmas. December. I like sleeping at the pants. Then I will just rinse out this. When I'm done, I take out the tag them. See? These are all Victoria. Yeah. When the time get cool, sleeping at them here. I'm buy two pink. Yeah. So they all look big. But them more comfortably sleep where them not really. All the shorts them look big. I'm gonna get them two panty here, but me not like them panty and I'm gonna give them panty here because I know my kind of panty them. Honestly. Oh, I never buy them here for myself, right? I mean at my size, but I never buy them for myself. Yeah, them three panty here or four panty, I never buy them for myself. I'm gonna give them. Forgot. But I buy four panty. Just did not buy them for myself. Yep. Alright, that bag empty. So all of that going in one bag. Watch your list. You see how long it is? You see the list? I'll be buy them. So buy these sweatpants too. Yeah. Buy this sweat top. Buy this. It's a jogger's pants. I'm gonna buy black. I'm gonna buy black. It's different style. Yeah. I'm gonna buy bra. So that's just it. I'm gonna rinse them here now, take off the tag them. But to see everything I'm gonna buy, I have one more bra in here, but I'm gonna give that one here away. Yeah, I'm gonna give that one there away and the panty them. Is that brown? Like the one I did buy for myself. The two I'm gonna buy for myself. I never even realized that two of them here I did pick up for myself because I told me the one. So I did one buy 6 Brazil, but that yeah. 2 black me buy. They're kind of weird. Oh, black over here. So okay. 3 black me buy. I'm gonna give her 2 of them Brazil here. One of these and 1 black. So yeah. So that's it for the video. And tell me what you all think in the comment section. Obi shop for me. And he shop for another girl too, but he just don't know. Yeah. That's it. So when I like what I buy a Victoria's Secret, tell me what you think in the comment section. Let me check the size to make sure I say the right thing I can put in here. But that's it, guys. Adios. See me showing where I shop? Cause me do the video, me post the video and somebody said, Dana, why you buy so a Victoria's Secret? So me showing. Right. Love you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button. Adios.